Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 23 of doing savings every day in August. I was going to say daily savings every day in August, but that seemed a little too repetitive. So I do have $12 today. So we will get to our minis, our daily minis, and the prop coins and dashboards come from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. But we're going to scoot back here to my little experiment. I am doing this daily roll. I see so many wonderful, amazing creators and content budgeters that do a daily roll of some kind. And I just wanted to see how I could make it work for me, or what it would look like for me with how I do my savings and all that. So I thought I would try with this. And whatever I don't save of the $6 will go into my dailies, which is a nice way to plump up my dailies. So let's roll a D6. We got a 4. All right, so I'm just going to color in a circle to represent that I rolled for the day. And this isn't anywhere, this is just one of mine. So we're going to do $4. So let's see if I can get a 1. Yes, I'm going to put a 1 back and put a 5 in here. So now we need $2 worth of prop coins. All right, so we have $51, $52. And then we'll go to the front and we'll get our $6 worth of prop coins and quarters. We will put our $8 in the bank. All right, go to the paper clip. We're gonna start at number 4. All right, so let's mix these in a little bit. There. All right, so let's see what we can do. We did not finish any yesterday, but that's totally fine. Progress is progress. 1, 2, 3 for 6. 1 and 2 for 1. 1 for 2. 1 for 3. 1 and 2 for 4. We're just going to come around a few times. 1 and 2 for 5. 1, 2, and 3 for number 6. Ooh, 3 for 1. I thought about it for a second. Ooh, nice. 3 for number 2. Aw, 1 for number 3. 1, 2, 3 for 4. And we have 1 left, so that will go on number 5. And then we are going to start at 6 tomorrow. All right. So we'll scoot you. Oops, there's a binder in my way. There we go, scoot you. All right, so let's see what we have for number 1. They are all 25, so 25, 50, 75, $1.25. And number 1 is from Millennial Saver, but I think it's pennies into possibilities. Kind of bougie, kind of broke. I am so digging this animal print. I have no idea where it's coming from, but all right, so we can do 5 more squares. I will be right back. Beautiful. So we're very close to finishing that one. Just 50 more cents. These were all 25. All right, number 2. Ooh, number 2 got 2 of the 50s, so that's $1.50 going into number 2. Oh, we just needed $1. Yay, we finished this one. So this one is from Maribel at Minto. So I will color in these 4 and be right back. All right, so these 2 saved us a total of $6. We only needed the 50 cents, so I'll put that there. So we have 50 cents we can put into a new one. Let's see. Oh, there's another big one. I just have all these big ones in here. All right, this one is from Paula at the Swag Doodlers. Look at how cute it is. We got a dolphin and a little turtle. I love anything under the sea. All right, so let's do 2 little shells. And this will be our start for this $8 saver. All right, number 3. Number 3 got 50 cents. This one is from Lisa. She persisted budgeting and saving. We needed $1 to finish, so we're that much closer. This one also will need 50 cents to finish. That will save $4. All right, and then number 4. All 25, so 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, and 50. So $1.50 for this one from Becca Budget 777. What did the pencil say to the sharpener? My life would be pointless without you. So we can do 6 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will be right back. All right, 75 cents, and this will be an $8 saver. That's fantastic. Okay, so it looks like number 5 has 25, 50, 75, $1, $1.25. Oh, so close. Oh no, these are 50 cents. Okay, let's get the pink. So we're not close. Okay, so 25, 50, 75, $1. So that's that. And then 25 is a half one. All right, this one's from DIY Budget or Diva's Budgeting on YouTube. And her name is also Eva, and she is so nice. Okay. So we are good there. So now number 6. I'm all distracted because Babe called, so I'm trying to get back in my rhythm. All right, so we have $1 for that. Then 25, 50, 75, $1. Ooh, $2 for number 6. And if I recall, it's a big one. Oh, candy from Stuff and Budget. So it is a $7 one. So we can do 6 circles. I will be right back. Look at how pretty that looks. I love it. All right, so we did finish one today. So let's put our 50 cents there. Quarters there. So let's go back here. Let's put this in here. So we had $2 extra, so that's my $2.50 prop coins. We're going to go back to the front, put our prop coins away up here, and then we need $6 for our adorable little Star Wars babies. And I think this is... I think we're just going to put this to business. We're just putting most everything to business. So I'm going to take my paper clip off and we're just going to stick the completed one here. And then we will go to the business binder, which I conveniently got out beforehand, yay me. And we're going to put it to materials. Actually, we're going to put it to shipping. Shipping or materials are my 2 biggest costs right now. Okay. That is that. Yay! All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Day 23 in the books. I hope to see you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Take care. Bye.